I'm sure you must have thought, I need to earn more, but I don't even know what skill to start with. You see people talking about AI, freelancing, and online income. But the moment you actually try to understand it, everything feels too technical and too confusing. And that's usually where most people stop. Because no one really explains how people are actually using AI to make money in 2026 in a simple, practical way that beginners can follow. So in this video, I'll show you 7 real AI business ideas that people are already using right now, and most of them don't even need coding, experience, or even a big investment to start with. So let's begin with AI automation for local businesses. For example, just look at around your city for a second. Most small businesses are not struggling because they don't have customers. They are struggling because they lose customers after the first message or inquiry. Someone texts them and the reply comes late or it never comes at all. And what's interesting here is this one small gap is now becoming a real opportunity because people are setting up simple AI systems that automatically reply to WhatsApp messages, capture leads, answer basic questions, and even manage bookings. And once that happens, something subtle changes for the business. They don't suddenly become a new company. They just stop losing customers they already had, and that alone can change their income. Next, we have AI voice agents for calls. Now, if you extend the same idea, it becomes even more powerful with phone calls. Because in India, especially, a lot of businesses still run on calls, be it clinics, tutors, repair shops, local services, and so much more. And here's the problem, they can't always pick up. But every missed call is basically a missed customer. And this is exactly where AI voice systems are starting to step in. These systems answer call instantly, talk naturally with customers, and even book appointments without human involvement. So instead of businesses worrying about missed calls, they basically have something working 24/7 in the background. And for someone setting this up, it becomes a simple service they can charge monthly for. Next, we have AI search visibility for businesses. While most people are still thinking about Google rankings, something important has already shifted. Now people are asking tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity questions like best coaching near me or best dentist in my city. And what's interesting here is if business doesn't appear in those answers, they slowly start becoming invisible online. So a new opportunity is opening up around this, helping businesses show up in AI research results by improving their online presence, getting them mentioned in the right places, and structuring their content in a way AI systems understand. It's basically the new version of SEO, just earlier and less competitive. Next, we have AI content systems for creators. Now, if we move to creators, the problem shifts again because most creators don't struggle with ideas, they struggle with consistency. They post for a few days and then things slow down. And what's interesting is AI is now being used not just to create content but to build full content systems. So instead of thinking, what should I post today? Creators are building workflows that generate scripts, captions, thumbnails, and posting ideas automatically. And once that system is in place, content stops depending on motivation and starts running like a process. Then we have AI freelance services for students. Now, if we look at India specifically, one of the most practical opportunities is happening around students because every year millions of students enter the job market and most of them face the same issue. Their resume doesn't stand out. Their LinkedIn profile feels incomplete and they don't know how to fix it. And this is where AI becomes useful in a very simple way. People are now offering services like resume improvement, profile optimization, and interview preparation using AI tools. Nothing complicated, just faster and better execution of something that already has demand. And because AI does most of the heavy lifting, even beginners can start offering this. Then on our list, we have AI faceless content channels, another model that's quietly growing. Faceless content channels, no camera, no personal branding, just content built using AI tools. But here's something important that has changed recently. Generic AI content doesn't really work anymore. What works is focus, one niche, one audience, and one style. Because once you lock that in, AI just becomes the production engine, not the strategy itself. And finally, one of the simplest but most scalable ideas is AI digital product business. Things like resume templates, study guides, prompt packs, Notion setups, or simple digital tools. And the interesting part is you only create them once. After that, they can't be sold again and again without inventory, delivery, or manual effort. So instead of trading time for money every single time, you build something that keeps generating value in the background. So to conclude, if you look at everything we have covered, one thing is clear. You don't need to build AI to benefit from it. You just need to know how to use it to solve real problems around you. That's the real opportunity in 2026. So instead of waiting for just a perfect idea, just start with one simple question. What can I make easier, faster, or better using AI today? Because in the end, the people who win are not the ones who overthink it. They're the ones who start. And if you found this video helpful, do like, share, and comment to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.